Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick one for you. We're going to dive into how you can refresh and hard refresh when you're using the Chrome browser. So let's not waste any time and jump right into it. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser on your computer and head over to any website you like. Then once the website has loaded, if you want to give it a regular refresh, simply hit that F5 button on your keyboard. Now watch as the website refreshes or reloads before your eyes. You can also opt for a reload button. It does the same job. But if you're looking to give it a hard refresh, here's what you need to do. Hold down the Control or CTRL button on your keyboard. While keeping that Control key pressed, hit either F5 or the reload button. Voila, the page will undergo a hard refresh. If you are still experiencing issues with the website loading, try doing this 2-3 times. And there you have it, folks. That's the lowdown on refreshing and hard refreshing websites in your Chrome browser on your computer. If this video helps you out, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.